prior to the 1780s, I think it was, two boats, steamboats, ran from West Point to Walkerton first. That was the Elm City. She drew too much water to get to Alet, so they took her out, and a group of businessmen bought the Louise in 1920. And she ran from West Point to Alet. There's a picture of her laying at Alet. As the highways improved, it was not necessary and not profitable, so she was taken off about 1925. Going back further in the history of West Point and ships and rails, a group of businessmen in 1850 decided that they could have a railroad and ships going to Norfolk. They completed the project in 1860. Needless to say, they had to do it all over again after 1865, which they did. But they developed the contacts with the Baltimore market, and that's how the Baltimore steamers got in. It was quite a lucrative and profitable business for many years. The train from Richmond to West Point, I have been told, was the first train scheduled in the United States at a mile a minute. So you could leave Richmond at 4:15, be at West Point 5 o'clock, get on the boat and go to Baltimore. The early morning train left West Point at 8 and was in Baltimore, Richmond 45 minutes later. Economically, the railroad meant a lot to the whole area, and so did the boats. They have been replaced, but I still miss seeing the steamboat.